Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Chrome extensions for CRM data capture into HubSpot. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing chrome.google.com/webstore in the address bar. In the search bar at the top left, type HubSpot CRM and press enter. Locate the HubSpot extension from the search results. Click on the extension to view its details. Press the Add to Chrome button, which is typically in blue. A pop-up will appear, asking for confirmation to add the extension. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Wait for the download to complete, and the extension will automatically install. Once installed, you will see the HubSpot icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Click the HubSpot icon to open the extension. A login prompt will appear if you're not already logged into your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot credentials and log in. Once logged in, you will have access to the extension's features. To enable data capture, navigate to the settings within the HubSpot extension. Look for options related to CRM data capture. Enable the desired features for capturing data, such as contact or lead information. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your settings. Now, when browsing, you'll have the option to capture data into HubSpot directly. Test the extension by visiting any web page with potential CRM data. Use the extension to capture the relevant information and send it to HubSpot. Verify that the data appears correctly in your HubSpot account. You are now set up to effectively capture CRM data into HubSpot using Chrome extensions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.